today. This is my toys. Right here. And I got a Pokemon toy and I just made it from the school. Can you read? And you'll see. Oh, upside down. Here. Oh, you see that? It's sunny. Okay, sunny light. Yeah. And I have to open it. It's already open. And then I have to go. Okay. Oh, wait. Okay. What's inside? My classmate just gave it. Cute. I know this. Oh, it just fell. Bro, it got wet.
Kaulang mo na tayo, no?
So cute. Okay, there's more.
Asan yung
There's more.
habitat? Kalau mo tuwan doon, dagat ba yun?
Oh,
Ha?
Peter?
Wala na, biyasa ka. Wala yan lang, ang Pilipino.
Kasi hindi habitat dito.
okay, no more. Oh my god! Do you notice my girl? Okay, this is the sun and you know this guy. And then,
May fish na rin, hapoy chorizo.
chorizo kan.
Wala pa na bayad pa.
Karang? O, lagi! Ano mo ako ganina? Ako ba ihatod ganina? Ang bayad dito sa Zaka, Banban.
Pwede na daw i-chicken.
Iyaw. Ayaw, hindi ka dyan. Kailangan niya to.
Maglatang dulan, di ko nga. Kadaw niya, magpajikas.
Yes, it's a lot but I will show you later. And I got this Pokemon. Ha? Nakubalunan?
No, ako. Ako na, ako tita niya.
Papa, ayoko.
Ayan, pamahit niya. Hindi na.
May snack lang.
Saan ako napapila ng pang pagpapal?
No. Pa, ang saan ninalan?
Tortoise?
Tortoise.
Sayang ano mo yung internet. Video-video lang kasi. Naka-internet.
Oh,